So here we have it, the GWR B-Set coaches by Rapido Trains. I like the stuff that Rapido produces. Let's take a quick look inside. So initially, this is great. You have the ability to change the windows and put open windows in. As I said, there's a bag of those here. More windows for the second coach, and then the connecting bar for the two coaches, plus some additional parts as ever, with the exception of the connecting bar that won't be fitted by me. Guide, various bits of information, including how to change the windows. And then to turn the lighting on and off is the standard magic bar. So, coaches themselves. Here we are. Initial thoughts, lovely paintwork, nice finish, good level of detail. I like the blue touches. I like the blue touches on the wheel. That's nice. Being a twin set, the coaches have standard NEM pocket connections at the end, but then on the other side there is space for this bar. So you put the bar in and connect the two together, as so. So, one of the key points of these is actually the quality on the inside. So let me tempt fate, open it up and show you what it looks like inside. So you can unclip the roof magically and it comes off, and inside you have the lighting bar. And what's really nice is that that's connected through springs, and this is where it gets really, really nice. So let me switch cameras and show you what it looks like inside. If you invest in this model, this is what you're paying for. You can see the detail here from the seat, from the guard, amazing dials there. Each of the coaches has got luggage racks, there's etching on the windows, there's artwork for each seat. It really is beautifully made. And this really is what you won't see once you've got the model operational. But what's nice is knowing that it's there.